B'Shem Hashem Naaseh V'Nasliach. Be'ezrat Hashem, we continuing with another lesson from Sidur Kol Sion, written based on teachings of Harav Ben Sion Mutsafi Shlita. This morning is the 5th of Elul, Tafshin Pei Hey, and this should be a zechut for all Am Israel to go into Shabbat prepared. So, Hachna'a biyamot hashavua lekabel kedushat Shabbat. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to prepare ourselves to accept kedushat Shabbat. Katav Rabbeinu Arizal v'Sha'ar Kavanot. Arizal teaches us in Sefer Sha'ar Kavanot, Shekama minei hakavanot yesh lesorech Shabbat. There are many kavanot that are needed for preparing for Shabbat. Im b'machshava, im b'divur, ve'im b'maaseh. So 3 levels, like many mitzvot. Right? One is to have in mind, machshava, in the thought, speech, and in an action. Right? Hachana besod ha'maaseh hi b'naqiyat. Ve'asiyat sorchei Shabbat b'yom hashishi. So, first category of ma'aseh, actually machshava was the first, but going back to ma'aseh, how should we prepare for Shabbat to receive the Kedushat Shabbat? Now we go to take shower, we go to mikveh, right? We clean our body. That's one of the levels of preparing for Shabbat. The ma'achal u'mishteh lesorech Shabbat. Also, we cook food, gondi, korme sabzi, whatever you like, right? Gefilte fish. V'chen tinok, v'chen tikun hanerot v'kayoseh. We said the nerot. It's always good that a husband should do it. That is this way. The mitzvah of hadagat nerot also is done somewhat by husband, by putting the oil, or by setting the candles, or putting the ptil. Kakatuv v'haya bayom hashishi sari veichnu et asher yaviu. So in the pasuk it refers to that on Yom Shishi one is supposed to prepare. V'achana besod adibur, also preparation with dibur. He beqeriyat seder chok leIsrael, that the person needs to do the section of chok leIsrael. Shetichen Rabbeinu Arizal, that Arizal has instituted for us. Right? Divrei Yom B'Yomo, every day we need to read Chok LeIsrael. Rav Eliyahu Netanyahu Shlita recommends to everyone, Sephardim or Ashkenazim, to do Chok LeIsrael. One could do his own seder of Chok LeIsrael, except the parsha, the pesukim of that day has to be exactly the pesukim of the Torah. I mean, the Chamisha Chumshei Torah has to be the pesukim of that day, right? Like other things, the Nevi'im, Ketubim, right? Mishnayot, Gemara, Zohar, Halakha, Musar can be your own seder. It doesn't have to be exact seder that is brought in Chok Israel. The point is that the person needs to always learn all these different areas in order that his neshama should be complete. Beqeriyat asara esrim v'shisha pesukim b'leil shishi achar chasot, doing the 26 pesukim after chasot. That is another preparation of the 26 pesukim that is brought on leil shishi of the parashat Shavua. Beqeriyat parasha kula b'yom hashishi shenai mikra ve'echad targum. According to Arizal, doing all the parashat Shavua, Shenai Mikra v'Targum Echad at once on Yom Shishi, right? Shabbat Eve. V'achana besod ha'maaseh hi sheyachin asmo b'machshava shehi ra'ui. These are all preparations of מחשבה מוכן לקבל את תוספת שבת that helps us to accept תוספת שבת by reading these parshiyot, right? These שניים מקרא תרגום אחד, one prepares himself. Right? ותחילת הכנה היא מיום רביעי בשבוע. Really, this preparing to receive the special קדושת Shabbat starts from יום רביעי. As Harav Eliezer ben David alav shalom always used to say, in Persian they call Yom Revi Charshambe. Charshambe in Persian means Charei Shambe. There's the solution for Shabbat. That from Wednesday, you start already preparing to accept קדושת Shabbat. שיכוון עצמו במחשבה שהיא ראוי ומוכן לקבל תוספת הנפש משבת Haba, that you from Wednesday you already preparing yourself to receive the Tosefet Nefesh, the extra Nefesh that one is receiving, right? Nefesh Ruach Neshama of the Shabbat to come. Ubeyom Chamishi, so correction. Yom Revi'i is Nefesh. Nefesh Haba. Yom Chamishi ikaven להכין עצמו שיהיה ראוי ומוכן לקבל תוספת רוח. יום חמישי is acceptance of רוח of Shabbat הבא. Shabbat הבא, the Shabbat coming, וביום השישי יכוון להכין עצמו שיהיה ראוי ומוכן לקבל תוספת נשמה משבת הבא. To accept Yom Shishi is the Tosefet Neshama of the Shabbat to come. Okay, so Be'ezat Hashem now, this preparation of Kedushat Shabbat starts beforehand from Wednesday. Baruch Adonai Leolam. Amen. Amen.